Hey everyone, welcome back. And today we are going to be talking about one of my favorite things in the whole world, building wealth using leverage. Building wealth isn't about getting lucky, it's about making smart moves with what you have. And one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal is leverage. Think about it. Leverage is all about using a small amount of something to achieve massive results. It's how you turn a few $1,000s into a down payment on your dream home, or how you scale a side hustle into a booming business. In this video, we're diving deep into 7 leverage strategies that wealthy people use every single day to grow their wealth. Whether you're just starting out or you're already on your wealth building journey, these strategies can give you a serious edge. Now, let's get right into it. Alright, the first leverage strategy is all about tapping into the power of other people's brains. Look, none of us can be experts in everything. Even if you're a rock star in your field, there are always areas where someone else has more experience or knowledge. Why spend years figuring everything out on your own when you can fast track your success by learning from people who have already been there? You can do this by hiring skilled employees, bringing on consultants, finding a mentor, or joining mastermind groups. The key is to surround yourself with people who are smarter than you in certain areas. Remember that quote from Robert Kiyosaki: an intelligent person hires people who are more intelligent than them. Don't be afraid to invest in learning from the best. It's one of the smartest financial decisions you can make. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful leverage strategies out there, using other people's money, or OPM. Wealthy people understand that using OPM strategically can significantly accelerate their wealth building journey. We're not talking about racking up credit card debt here. That's the opposite of what we want. We're talking about using financing to acquire income-generating assets. Think about real estate, for example. Instead of waiting years to save up enough cash to buy a property outright, you can leverage OPM by getting a mortgage. Let's say you put down a 20% down payment on a $3 million apartment building. That means you're using $600,000 of your own money and borrowing the remaining $2.4 million. Now you have control over a valuable asset that generates rental income, all while spreading the risk. The key is to make sure that the return on your investment is higher than the cost of borrowing the money. That's how you create true wealth leverage. Leverage other people's network. Time is your most valuable asset, and trying to do everything yourself is a recipe for burnout and slow growth. Successful entrepreneurs understand the power of delegation. They know that their time is best spent on high-impact activities that move the needle forward, not on tasks that can be easily outsourced. Think about it. If you own a restaurant, you could try to be the chef, the server, the cashier, and the cleaner all at once. Or you could hire a team of people who specialize in each of those areas. Leveraging other people's work allows you to focus on what you're best at and frees up your time and energy to grow your business exponentially. Leverage other people's time. This strategy goes hand in hand with the previous one, but it's worth emphasizing. We all have the same 24 hours in a day. But how we use that time is what separates the high achievers from everyone else. Wealthy individuals are masters at leveraging other people's time to maximize their own productivity and results. Let's say you're a business owner who generates $5,000 an hour for your company. Would you spend an hour doing administrative tasks that could be easily outsourced for $50? Of course not. The same principle applies to your personal life. If you can afford to hire someone to help with tasks like cleaning, grocery shopping, or running errands, it can free up your time to spend with loved ones, pursue hobbies, or simply relax and recharge. Leverage other people's ideas. Innovation doesn't always mean reinventing the wheel. Some of the most successful businesses and products were born from leveraging and improving upon existing ideas. Don't be afraid to draw inspiration from others, collaborate, and adapt existing concepts to create something new and innovative. A great example of this is the story of Richard Montañez, the janitor who invented Flamin' Hot Cheetos. He didn't create the concept of Cheetos from scratch, but he saw an opportunity to improve upon an existing product by adding a spicy twist. The takeaway here is that you don't have to come up with groundbreaking ideas entirely on your own. Be open to collaborating with others, brainstorming, and building upon existing concepts. Leverage your network and other people's resources. You've probably heard the saying, your network is your net worth. Building strong relationships and cultivating a diverse network can open doors to opportunities you wouldn't have access to otherwise. Whether it's connecting with potential investors, finding mentors in your field, or collaborating on projects that amplify your reach, your network can be a powerful leverage tool. Think about it. If you're an author looking to get your book published, having a connection to a publisher or literary agent can be invaluable. The key is to approach networking with a win-win mindset. Always look for ways to provide value to others, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Leverage automation and systems. We live in the digital age, where technology can automate tasks that used to take hours, days, or even weeks to complete manually. From marketing automation tools that send personalized emails to thousands of subscribers, to social media scheduling platforms that keep your content flowing 24/7. There are countless ways to automate repetitive tasks and free up your time for more strategic work. E-commerce platforms like Shopify and Amazon have made it easier than ever to set up online stores and sell products to a global audience with minimal overhead. The key is to identify the tasks in your business or personal life that are repetitive and time-consuming, and then explore automation tools and systems that can streamline those processes. This will not only free up your time, but also allow you to scale your efforts and reach a wider audience. And with the rise of online courses and digital products, you can create a source of passive income that generates revenue while you sleep. So there you have it, 7 powerful leverage strategies that can help you build wealth faster and achieve financial freedom sooner. Remember, building wealth isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter by leveraging other people's knowledge, money, time, ideas, resources, and technology, you can amplify your efforts and achieve extraordinary results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which leverage strategy you're most excited to implement. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.